good morning. It's about, I don't know, maybe 10 o'clock in the morning. And this waterfall is called Gufufoss. Gufufoss. And I almost didn't get here because the fog was so bad, I'm sure you can see it up there, that trying to drive was not easy. But I'm glad I did because the colors are amazing. I'll pan down all of this red, you know, these are types of blueberries. All kinds of blueberries around the world, and these grow really low to the ground and just beautiful. I'm gonna walk down here a little wood. They've got like a platform down here to stand on. I guess somebody decided that this was the spot. Let's build a platform and people can stand up here on this platform and take a picture. Okay. Very nice. Try to zoom in. I think I'll do a calm the chatter. All right. Have a great day.